Di ba guys, naka-blue sila guys, fake friends. They are,
Muna yung nakakuan,
she is
guys,
my
nga.
plastic friend.
She's different.
And my best friend. Guys, kung gusto mag-plastic friend, nara guys, pwede kayo
Baterya na yun, guys.
Ano ba ito, mga sir guys, pag ano daw, pag plastic is considered as recyclable. But that's why, amo siyang giuban kay ma-recycle siya.
Magamit pa siya, guys.
Nagamit na mo yung legs, guys. Sabaan na to, eh. Tabi ako. Dili mo ko sabaan. Ay, kanang, to be honest, yeah.
Nag-confess.
Dili
Actually,
ko sabaan, guys. I'm too shy to speak.
But, Fuad, it depends on the situation, guys.
You know, she's very expensive. Her English is very brilliant.
yeah,
Yes,
so
guys.
much.
Who's you?
Hosyo ka din.
Who's